How's it going, everybody? Today I'll be showing you how to replace the battery on an Audi Smart Key like this one. This is specifically from an S5, but it should be the exact same model for most modern A4s, A5s, the Q7 if I'm not mistaken. I'll put a full list down below, but most Audis from roughly 2016 to about 2023 are going to use this key here. Very straightforward, don't need any tools. First, you see here there's two little plastic black tabs. We're just going to push those in, and that's going to release the security key or the safety key. In case you can't use your key fob, you can use this to open the doors. So that's in here. Put that to the side. Pressing the same two tabs right here, we just need to remove this tray. Now it can be a little stiff the first time, but you just push in and then kind of loosely or kind of wiggle like so, and it'll come out like this. And here is your battery. This uses a 2032 coin cell battery such as these. And so you're just going to grab a new one and we're going to replace the old one. So old battery, the negative side is up, positive is down. So we're going to remove that. We're going to grab our new battery and we're going to install it the same way. Negative side up like so, shiny side up, this side down. Okay, then we'll take our key and we are just going to slide it back in like this. You want to make sure it fully sits in. I see this is not fully in yet. You have to press the tabs in and then go all the way in like that. Now it's fully in. Take our security safety key, slide it back in, and job done. Double check that it works. See here the light is lighting up, so it works just fine, and we are good to go. Hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.